Ti wada rema me se mo na nyame ase okwanso nkoso na oye na doye wo ho pa.
Amen.
I think for the past few days and weeks, we've been talking about Ghana situation, get it off hand cry. But nyame charge the former president John Dramani Mahama wakasa ana ene Ghana manpain Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo so akasa. We will compare the notes. If I no pay, I'm happy say mo di maka panel no ho. We'll that's it me catch you say Kwayo Asan this guy because the guy no buy mobile sheets calculate show you more George Addo Jr. George
Obi the house up here.
Give me phone away. Papa, give me phone.
No.
Give me phone. Give me phone. Give me phone.
Me say Obi the house up here.
WhatsApp me. Hey, I'm not cheap like that.
Obi be phone man.
Me press me expose nipa. Mama come say me call. George Addo Jr. South Africa ni kwa ye free multimedia kwa ni mi team kwa tu kombo do kwa tiko
oh gavata
eti the American nyina say na the national skills for nyina say the American nyina say Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo akasa. As usual, Ghana for the comic aspect in the woman, no, Sika Mpedede, no, and will be adding Sika Mpedede.
Welcome, Sika Mpedede.
Oh, Sika, naturally, Mpedede. Oh, you did be rebel Janet from Wako. And
anything I call banking halls, we bring ya monium, and
young crab on California. 80, Miss. Let us look into the suggestions and solutions of prescriber here, both the former and the current. Now, critique the Omunina Kano. Now, say we are building, just like the NDC said, John Mama said, let us build the Ghana we want to build. Intimacy, the conversation is not centered on the details of what has been said, but rather is centered on personalities and attack. And that is the problem of this country. John Mama, the 11 points was at all. Nana Addo should be abetre. We need to just put them together. If I join the political talk, if I another political talk, near year the reality is a solve a solution for a minor and an individual or a political party. It's not as serving somebody's interest and you bear at this point in time. Timas Ghana for this year. Onyamia do ya man penny for Canadian also and then the also Obi Nsem about we 11, we 12, we say 11 levels 12. Let us look into the details of the solutions they prescribe for us. Let us know the feasible and the political talk. Now, if you practice what we've all agreed, say, ebe buama ye dollar $1.7 negina, ebe buama ye price, ready for boy, shim no, etimi asesa, ebe buama mebunu, any ajuma ye ni daso, ebe buama Ghana and idi shebiana, akoswaye a proud Ghanaian, ebe ye hubia say, we are headed towards doom, etimi efrio yeonum. Na Ghana ni bia so from 23, debi ameka, say ebra woman no, enya bra, etise bribiana. Obaji when you separate on I did say oh yeah. A bread is also adjusted to the situation. And I'm sure and be a part of the panel. I'll also come to have a conversation around a Nyoma ACC quite a bit in my fashion.
But one issue I'm penny erase being our own enemies. Say at the time for Nigeria no but a born on that no better.
Well, we have continued to be our own enemies. And it is and they say, I know the Ghana for Sutia. And then that GPR to for us, 40% increase, and I'm about 19%. How do we solve this problem? As I say, Juma, we need to empower our own people to set up businesses and industries. As I see a Timmy Bois, Manipa, Nyoma Dodona say, Danado can John Mama can, and Nyoma Dodona, ye crefia manonia bano. Is it me yet in Shema a suti? Because we and Coco Funu pie a crab or my way more. And Coco Funu, me ma morning oil so. Over and Coco Funu pie a crab or my way more. Now a poultry industry, ye collapsing. Se poultry for the shots, yes, or more Casachra. Oh, but you. It's Mister. There's a big problem ahead of us. And problem, no. The pain is that, and shall say no. Ghana, young Shahan Sama, even young Casa, young Numa, near Japadi, I don't tell my mom.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't. Eti mesre bebre say baby edu let's have a conversation that is focused and geared towards the development of the country, not political parties or individuals. Let's have a conversation that solves the country's problem, not an individual problem or a party's problem. Let's solve our issues, no, nenya generational and not temporal. We've been doing knee-jerk reactions to our situations. Inti amwayen, tiano pe mi baya. Message shower, Abraham ye panel. No. Now for yet we have a proper conversation around it. Now, as in
oh, it's so boa.
No, as empowering.
Oh, cha. Oh.
Hey, on also dear. And no other damn tea.
What's it then?
Hey, on also as empowering with me good pen mazio.
Oh, yeah, then. Come on.
As empa. When you get children,
oh, yeah, then a two no.
Ha! Eh, me best me casa. I want to man no cancer.
Come on, a text to George Parade.
Steven, me missing there from you.
Steven, who missing there from. That's a
there's a bit the cat cement bo. Eh, me mesia. Now the me na me se me can asem kra. Me man card.
Oh my card.
Asempa. And also opposite or the tofu well. In the card me man ceiling of 200 cedis. Now this asempa the money jet. Yenko jamina usame ho. 200 no obu 650. And that's a message me card mo.
O card ben adimano.
Visa card no.
O visa card. Hey. Come on, the men adime mami.
We upe kura na meet me dem.
But of mami ne ya.
Aka 22 cedis 14 pesos.